Hello, my name's Sarah and I thought you might like to join in today as I make my own library at home. First, choose a good place to make your library. I'm going to make mine on my settee. You might choose to make yours on your bed. Have a chat with your grown-ups. They'll know the best place for you to make your library. Here's my settee. But it doesn't look very much like a library. What do we need? I'm going to go and find some books. I'll be back in a moment. So here I am again. I've found some books. I've got a few more to add to my pile. Look, I've found this lovely red box and its lid. I'm going to set it down this way. And I'm going to put the box on top. Then we can put the books we want to borrow in here. And we can pretend to press the buttons up here. This doesn't look much like the screen on the self-service machines at my library. Let me go and make a screen to go on top there. I'll be back in a moment. Look, I've been busy. This looks more like the screen in my library. It's got a button to say borrow. It's got another button which will allow me to renew the books. And it's got a button which will allow me to return the books. I'm going to put it on my box with some blue tack. You could always use some sticky tape if you got that instead. Now, what else do we need? When I work in the library, I need a computer. Perhaps you might have a toy one that you could use. Or maybe Mum and Dad might allow you to borrow one of theirs. I'm going to use my own one, just for when I'm playing libraries. Here's my computer. I'm going to set it down over here. It's going to make a little bit of room. And you can see my computer sitting ready to be used. Now the other thing I need when I'm working in the library is a little zapper to read the barcode on the books, or perhaps on your library card. What could I use? I'm just going to go and have a little search for something to use. Hello, I've found some really good things. So, let me show you what I found. I could use a part of my Hoover. That's good. Or I could be very creative and pretend with a washing up brush. Bleep. But my favourite is something I've made. I've put a little bottle into a cardboard tube, and that's going to be my bleeper. So when I pick up a book like this, I can make it say bleep. So I'm going to use this today. So I'll put that with my computer. I think it's time to start making all these things look a bit more like a library. At the moment, the books aren't organised the way you would find in your local library. Wonder what we need to do. Sometimes the picture books are in boxes. Perhaps you could find a box. I've got one here. This box looks just the right size to put some of those picture books into. I'll go and do that now. This one could go in. Here's one about UFOs. Percy's Park. A couple more about animals. These ones are a bit bigger. They're more like older children's storybooks. We'll do something different with those in a moment. And this one's an information book about drawing. We'll do something different with that one too. Here's some more storybooks with pictures. And a history book. And a geography book. These ones are information books. I'll put those to one side too. And one last picture book. I'll put that one into the box as well. Now, these other books we would normally have on shelves. So I'm going to pretend that the settee is the shelf. I'm going to just prop them up. Oh, I need to sort out the older children's reading books, storybooks from the information books. Those are the information books, and these are the storybooks. So we put the storybooks there, and I'll put the information books here. And down at the bottom, we've got our children's storybooks with pictures in. I've remembered some of our branches have toys. Perhaps you could add some of your toys to the library as well. I've got a little jigsaw and I've got a hat. I'm going to pop those in the library too. I think there's just one more thing we need. We need some library cards. Now, you might need to take care of your real library card and leave that with your grown-up. But I think you could probably make some library cards. Perhaps use an old cardboard box. Hello again. I've gone and found some card. And I've cut it up and I've made some library cards. Look, I've written library card on this side and I've put some barcodes on this side. So now I'm ready for my first customer. I wonder who's going to come in. I'll put these with the computer. Oh, I see my first customer. I'll just go and help him in. Hello, Mr. Bear. Thank you for coming to the library today. How can we help you? Oh, you'd like to join? Certainly, sir. Let's just get you a library card and we'll help you write your name on it. Let me find you a seat. Let me just find my pen. Let me write your name, Mr. Bear. Just put the pen back and do some typing on the computer. Now, Mr. Bear, what sort of books would you like to use today? Would you like to borrow some? Oh, you'd like some storybooks about bears. Let me see what I can find for you. Look, our picture books are in this box. That one's not about bears. Oh, I see one about bears. Look, this one's called Little Bear Stories. Would you like to borrow that one? Oh, you would? Excellent. Oh, and there's another of the Little Bear Stories. Can't you sleep, Little Bear? You'd like that one as well? Certainly. And there's another one. We're going on a bear hunt. Oh, you'd like that one too? That's good. Right, let me show you how to borrow your books, Mr. Bear. we're going to put them in the self-service machine. We're just going to set them in the bottom, and then we press borrow, and it goes bleep, 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 and tells you when your books are going to need to come back to us. I hope you enjoy them today, Mr. Bear. There you go. And he heads out of the library. Oh, I see another customer coming. Let's go and help him in. Look, this is Mr. Minion. He's come to look at the information books today. So we're off to the other side of the library, Mr. Minion. He's having a good old look. Oh, he's found just the book he wants. It's a book about volcanoes. Right. Oh. Certainly. We'll go and see if we can find that replacement card you ordered the other day. I'm sure it will be sitting waiting for you. Here we are. And off we go. He goes to the machine and he borrows his books. Borrow. He bleeps his card. And off we go. Bye, Mr. Minion. Thank you for joining us in my pretend library today. Why don't you make yourself a pretend library? Take a picture, take a video and send them to us. We'd love to see what you've been doing in your library. Bye.